This is a tour of what's been our home the last 10 days. Let's go! The back of the van was slick, functional, and absolutely stunning. It came equipped with a sink, refrigerator, and heater, all of which ran on their own separate battery. There was plenty of built-in storage space that we used to store our food and cookware. All cooking and eating utensils were included. We spent a lot of time in the van. After 10 days, it still felt cozy and spacious. Now for the bed. Sheets, blankets, and pillows were all included. Putting it together was a breeze. And the best part, the heater ran just below the bed, which means we had a heated bed to keep us warm. Blinds and curtains made sleeping extra cozy. But don't worry, there were plenty of built-in lights. The trunk contained more storage space, batteries, and a water tank for the sink. The front came with all of the essentials. We used the USB port to charge our Wi-Fi hotspot, which we highly recommend getting. With just the two of us, there was tons of extra space. Under the front seat, there was extra storage space, a fire extinguisher, and a first aid kit. The Cozy 3 is an automatic 4-wheel drive, which means we were practically able to drive everywhere. So that's it! For more information, check out our blog post and the video about our experience linked below.